Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to review another website, that is avalanboutique.com. As people from worldwide are very curious about this website, especially United States, Canada and United Kingdom want to know about the review of this website. So today we are going to review Avalan Boutique. It is a boutique business founded by Laura D. A. General based in Avalon Hills. We also discovered that it is a family business that is being continued by the next generation and brings some unique pieces from timeless clothing. So let's check out the details of this Avalan Boutique. The domain age was registered on 13 March 2019. They have the categories of women clothing. They have mentioned their email address and official address. The email address which they mention is matching their domain name, which is a good sign, but they have not mentioned their any contact details, which is not a good sign. They have mentioned their payment method as Mastercard, Chisel, Visa are accepted. Customer reviews are present on the website and other platforms like Play Store and App Store. Most of it gives an average of 1 to 3 days as shipping time for their products. The advantages of buying from Avalan Boutique is that the range of the clothes is unique and versatile. There are many reviews on this application website and Play Store and App Store page. The collection of is especially for women. They offer tops, bottoms, types of denim, accessories, and shoes for women. Customer can download the application on Apple and Android devices, which through Play Store and App Store. Customer can also join the VIP Facebook group for updates. The shipping time of the brand is less than as compared to other websites. The disadvantages of buying from Avalan Boutique are that the brand charges standard shipping of $6.97 on all orders. They have not mentioned any contact number for the customer services, and the collection of website is dedicated only for women. So the question is Avalan Boutique legit? As we have discussed, the domain age for the website is approximately 2 years 4 months, like it was registered on 30th March 2019. So its trust rank is 75.6 out of 100, which is good sign. Trust index score is 76%. The website has mentioned their business address, which is a good sign. The website seems complete and satisfactory for the customer. So as far as customer reviews are concerned, we have found customer reviews on App Store and Play Store and the website itself, but unfortunately there are mixed reviews on all platforms, which means that some customers like the products and service but the other do not. So in our conclusion, we can say that the website is more than 2 years old and has served many customers. Thus there are many user reviews on internet for the customer reference. So as we have found the mixed reviews, we are just suggesting our viewers, so you must do your own research and make a wise decision for shopping from avalanboutique.com.